Hello students, welcome to Sourav Sir's classes. So for classes, mock test, study material, you can contact the number given in the description. Let's solve one of the problem from JEST Physics. The problem states that solve the differential equation using Green's function. So there is an expression, differential equation which is given where x varies from minus infinity to plus infinity. We need to find the Green function and express the solution for general fx, right? So this problem will help you to clear the concept based on the Green's function method, Fourier transform techniques, and will solve the linear differential equation. We solve this linear differential equation. Hope this type of problem you can attempt in your exam. So we will solve it in one of the easiest and fastest way, right? So we write the expression which is given. So it is d square by dx square minus alpha into y of x equal to f of x, right? So the Green's functions satisfy. So the Green's function satisfy. So the Green function satisfies d square by dx square minus delta equal to g as a function of x that equal to del x minus x that dash, right? So it taking the Fourier transform, will be taking the Fourier transform we can write g as a function of x that equal to 1 by 2 pi integrals from 1 positive infinity to minus infinity to the power I k into x minus x dash by k square plus delta into dk, right? So we have solving this integral, we will get 1 by 2 into root over lambda into e to the power minus root over lambda into x minus x dash mod, right? So the solution will be, so our solution will be y of x equal to minus infinity to plus infinity g of x minus x dash into f into x dash dx, so equal to minus infinity to plus infinity 1 by 2 into root over lambda into e to the power minus root over lambda into x plus x dash mod, then f x prime into dx prime, right? So this is the required solution of our given problem. So hope this is clear. So thanks a lot.